Hey you guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing a Valley Tower King tour. I'll have the right name listed in the title of this room, but I'm on the 21st floor in the Valley Tower. So when you come in, right off is the bathroom. And you got the shower. Yo, I do not like their doors. Cause like, can I get a door? You got the shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I do not use those, I bring my own. Cause you don't know how long those been sitting in there. You got the sink. Ooh, mirror, yes, for my outfits and selfies. Over here, this is what I love about Harrah's room is you could do your makeup right over here. And then over here, you got the bed. Don't mind my jacket and stuff on there. Okay, I'm about to say how I open it. Closet right over here. It's kind of dark with the safe. Oh, it's two. So you got another one. And then, ooh, nice mirror over here. Little desk, another desk over here. Well, this is just a table. This is the desk. And then let's see the view. I changed it to a strip view when I got here. Oh, girl, this is a strip and a pool view. Okay, I mean, it's cool. But yeah, tomorrow I'm going to the pool. But yeah, this is a good view. I can't wait to see how it look at night. Cause the Rio gonna look really pretty over there. That's the Rio over there. And there's like nobody in the pool. But yeah, guys. This is my room tour.